folks, just to let you know, in case you didn't know, my house burned down. Yep, it was crazy because what do you call it? The I got up, in the morning and saw smoke coming through the walls, and it was nuts. Like it was coming like a funnel. And then what do you call it? I was supposed to. I was gonna stay home that day, go to Plattsburgh with my parents, and then what do you call it? My father came in and was like, "Get the fuck out of the house!" and got out. The whole building was in flames. And in case you're all worried, this happened in 1984, so don't panic. Just thought I'd clickbait you there for a second. Anyway, this video is not about my house burning down, but I should make a video like that. So yeah, it did burn down though. We lost a cat. They suspect the wood stove in there was a house. They built a garage next to it, another motorcycle shop, and they suspect they painted a car in the body shop. I think it rained and the thing burned down. A long time ago, I'll never forget that morning. I had these little brown shoes. Ran out, got up, put my pants on, my shirt on. I think I grabbed my socks, put them on, and I couldn't have time to put the shoes. Grabbed the shoes, ran out around the house. By the time I got out, half the house is it was probably already burning above our heads. We just didn't notice it because of the gyprock. But half the roof was burnt and there was smoke coming everywhere. So my parents were supposed to go. They were supposed to go over the border that day, and they were going to leave me to go sleep in. If they would have left me sleep in, I would have been dead. I wouldn't be here right now. And luckily, my father waited a little, and they were like, "Hey, Chris, you want to come to Plattsburgh with us?" I'm like, "Sure." They're like, "Well, just still sleep in for a little while." And I never went to Plattsburgh that day. All my Lego melted. I'm still depressed. I would have had classic 70s space Lego. It's all melted. I still have some of it left. Whatever was in, I had this. It was like a $3 dresser we bought at some auction in Alburgh, Vermont, and it was like this. It was a good inch and a quarter thick, or maybe an inch thick maple dresser, and the drawers were also inch thick. So when you put them in there, was 2 inches of maple and an inch on each end. Everything that was in the drawers didn't melt. My Sony boombox. No, it was a Sony. My boombox was on the on my radio on the top desk that had batteries and it was still working. Everything else further back in the house was torched, but everything was in the drawers. I remember my pants that were on top of the dresser were like crunchy. And by no means did I ever want to be, because right now I'm a volunteer fireman. Haven't participated in a while due to just being busy. And when you have no kids, oh shit, going to fire hall's like all free range. And it's a volunteer, so I don't get paid very much. I get a little stipend for helping, which, I never possessed to be a fireman. Actually, I never wanted to be a fireman in my entire life, but I've been one for 29 years now. I haven't, like I said, I'm not like gung-ho. I don't promote it. I'm just, I'm just a regular dude who went to a couple of fires and saw lots of bad shit going to fires. But, what do you call it? My brother was on the fire department for several years. He's like, "Oh, we need volunteers. Want to join?" I'm like, whatever. I know what the hell I was doing. I think some days I still don't know what the hell I'm doing. But yeah, house burned down, and that was freaky. I'll never forget the feeling though, because when you own shit, you're always worried about shit. But the minute you go from owning, even I didn't own the house. I was just a kid, and I had, we all have our possessions. Or a kid, we like our toys. It went from oh my god, all my shit's gone, to realizing that, I'm free. I got rid of everything. If this place burned down, hopefully it doesn't, I'd be like, oh man, and then I'd be like, well, it's all gone. Who cares? Mind you, there's still a lot of things in there I could salvage because there's a lot of shit in here that is just bulk steel. I'd be sad about my Beldor grinders though, because those are worth a lot of money, even though they're used. Paid $40 for a Beldor BB grinder, BB Beldor. My anvils would probably be good. My bench vices I could restore. My tank here would probably explode. My mule would burn every freaking thing there because there's a giant magnesium deck there, and my toolbox might be salvageable. But yeah, it's just a weird feeling. And then my the cat died. So I was just remembering that just the other day. I'm like, I should make a video and trick them in the first 2 minutes. Hope I didn't get you going there. Sorry if I tricked you, but I'm gonna put in the comments my house burned down, and then see what happens. See if you get the, what do you call it? But it did burn down. We eventually, I think my father sold the house. This is in what, 80s? Sold a lot for $500. I think he told me, and we moved to the farm out here. They call it the farm. There's been a farm here probably in 50 years. And the house that I then proceeded to grow up in used to be my aunt's old house. It used to be an old motorcycle shop, so they repaired it. They took them 2 months to basically the floors weren't finished or missing a lot of stuff, but the insurance company pretty much ripped off my father. And I'll never forget that my father went to the welfare office and like said, "Can we just get welfare for 1 month?" And they were like, "Nope." We had nothing. Everything burned to the ground. Like even my father's all three businesses were torched, and they wouldn't get welfare. All he wanted was welfare for 1 month so we could buy clothes. And I had to argue for like what, I think a month to get the house insurance to give us just money for anything. So I remember like having people donating shit to us, and we stayed in my cousin's house. Oh, it's my cousin. No, used to be his father's house. Staying there for several months. We didn't have nothing. Everything smelled like burnt smoke. Dishes that were old. It was like crazy. I remember burning candle. I used to burn a candle to get rid of the smoke smell. It was strange. I don't know why I wanted to make a video. I just wanted to like, I don't know. You ever get, if you're a YouTuber, do you ever just want to share like weird shit? So I guess it's the fun with YouTube. You get to share everybody. And this little clicking noise, that's my drill here. So anyway, that was just something I wanted to share. My eyes drive me nuts. And I stopped every time I eat. I haven't had any in weeks. Every time I have artificial sugar, this eye goes crazy. Like any kind of aspartame and all that crap, my eyes go berserk. So I've been avoiding sugar and artificial sugar and carbs and all this stuff. So anyway, enough of that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to burn down the subscribe button, the like button, and watch some more videos. Thanks for watching.